One day, a small bird started flapping its wings. For the first time, his parents watched him attentively, unable to hide their joy. Amidst everyone's attention, the little bird leaped towards the sky, aiming for even greater heights. At first, its wing beats were cautious, but it gradually became a proficient, displaying the freedom of flying effortlessly through the air. The parents admired the courage of the small bird, soaring higher and higher, and they helped enhance its abilities. Now, this small bird has become a bird that can stand lifeless in the sky and enjoys its freedom.